Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Study with Tough. Today we are going to see first poem of English of class 10. So let's start today's video. Question number 1 is given. Choose the correct alternatives and complete the given sentences. So first question is A. According to the poet, dash dash are brought by each new day. Answer is new beginnings. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to dash dash. Great success is the answer. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is dash dash. Answer right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been dash dash years of his life. Answer best. Let's move to the next question, that is find out and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. First, make, take. Second, success, distress. Third, see, me. Fourth, way, day. Fifth, see, me. Question number 3. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? Answer ABCB is the rhyming scheme of the poem. Question number 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. In column A, some lines are given, and in column B, figure of speech are given. Let's match the column A with column B. First, decisions I must make is inversion. Second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord, is apostrophe. Third, travel down the darkened road, figure of speech, alliteration. Fourth, I can choose to take the road of life, figure of speech, metaphor. Question number 5. In question number 5, the elements of planning an interview is given, that is of group activity. So let's do. First, format structure. The format should be consist the name of interview and interviewer, other details as topic, venue, date and time. Second, size, length, how much, 10 to 15 questions. Do's and don'ts, rules and regulations. Do's: make the candidate feel comfortable, ask him to sit down, ask some friendly questions initially. Don'ts: do not bombard him with questions. Do not interrupt while candidate is speaking. Type of question is next. Include WH type questions, open-ended, close, and SNO type questions. Question number 6. Prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You may use the following guidelines. First, name of interview, name of the interviewer, topic, that is based on personal reason, sports, businessman, music or art, venue, studio, TV channel, auditorium, hall ticket, etc. Date, time, duration is compulsory to frame the 10 questions. You have to ask totally 10 questions. Following are the points. You have to use these points and write 10 questions, that is mix up of yes no and WH questions. Place a proper background before every question. Conversation should sound like a real interview. Avoid very personal questions. Avoid very casual, cheap and vulgar language. Let's see the 10 questions. Question number 1. How do you feel now that you have become a TV star? Question number 2. Why did you decide to participate in the reality show? Question number 3. How did you apply for it? 4. Who is your guru? Question number 5. How many participants were there in all? Question number 6. What is your specialty in singing? 7th. What are the awards you have received? Question number 8. What are your plans for future? Question number 9. What is your advice to young aspirants? Question number 10 and last. What can you do to encourage them? Question number 8. Compose a short prayer in English asking God to guide you in your teenage years. Later, you can even try to make the lines rhyme to give it a poetic form. The following is the poem. O God, bless me with friends with perfect heart, who will always stand by me in dark and dusk. Let our friendship grow clean and right. My future bright will be in